Hi everyone, we are Emergent Technology Company. Today, we are going to talk about our new product, IT Portable Smart Outlet Store Assistant. Our product is a mobile cashier with discount and rebate handling products. And let me introduce myself first. My name is Ray, and my teammates are Alan and Matthew. To begin our presentation, let me ask you a question. Have you been to the outlet retail store, and what happened did you encounter? Okay, for the overview of outlet store, there are four main problems. It is environment, discount issue, self-off, and the complex process. Um, it may be crowded with people. Although people love shopping, but I think they hate the shopping atmosphere, and people may confuse with the discount handling. Many people use phone calculator to calculate the discount, and sometimes they will calculate wrong and argue with the staff. And staff need to promote all the existing product, and it may get pressure for them. And it's very difficult to find a staff to ask question for the customer, as the staff number may not be enough to handle all the customer, and they have a complex payment, and sometimes they may get a wrong charging. Okay, imagine if you are a customer, you have four problem: time, convenience, attraction, and money problem. Today you are very busy, time is rushed. You see there is a crowded and long queue for payment. You may get tired, no motivation to go shopping, and you don't want to bring so much cash and return many coins for you after the bill. Then you may not go to the retail. Okay, let's imagine if you are a seller. There are five main problems for the manual power. If you are a small company, you may get inadequate money for too many staff, and it has no efficiency for the company. And how much you may earn now, it is a question for many seller, and you don't know the real-time profit, and you only know it after the shop is closed, because you can calculate after the shop is closed, but you don't know the real-time situation. And you may have flexible charge changing after fixed price of product. It's difficult to change it back, and sometimes it's difficult to collect the data for the customer behavior and their habits, and you may get a boring business environment. Okay, then how to solve it? For the solution, I will pass it to Alan to talk it.
I'm Alan. As we can see that there are many problems when we go shopping, and how can we tackle with those problems? And our idea is our designs. It will give you solutions. And how can we go into the concept? Our concept is come from the daily life. And when we go into the shopping market, we easily see a lot of shopping cart. And how can we maximize the function of them? Our idea is combine a Geno with them. With this design, and we can just use a Geno to buy the products, and we just use our product ID card or shopping ID card to check different product informations and do calculations. And finally, you can play a game with our robot and earn your coupon. And those coupons can let you to pay it in the next shopping. And how can you ranking? Our solutions is mainly in 6 areas. And the first two is the database system and the monitor systems. And those system is going to checking each customer's shopping behavior in a database to do a data analyze. And for the game system and the information systems, and if you win a game, you will earn your coupon. And those information will send to the info sensor to do the tracking. And for the payment and discount system, and when you're doing the payment by your shopping cart, and we will do a discount checking on you after your payment, and we can give you some discount or rebate point to let you buy the things next time. And what is our design structures? It is mainly around the RFID, Wi-Fi modules, OLED, and the main stage. And the Wi-Fi module is connected to the ThinkBit servers and the serial servers. And those servers is act as a database. And we can use our phone and PC to chat it time to time. And our main stage is connected to the 3 mode. One is info mode, payment mode, and game mode. And those modes can be switching by pressing the button control. And for the seller side, we also have a input product designs for you to input your product and price. And how can the hardware be connected? Our hardware mainly focus on the output and input system. For the input, we are mainly focused on the RFIDs, and the output, we are mainly focused on the database and OLED screenings. And after collect those data, it will sending to that network by ThinkSpeed channels. And the ThinkSpeed channel will do the communication with our main machine to do the data analyze. And our software developments. As we know, we have 3 mode and 1 database, so that it is important for us to do a card identification by knowing what is the shopping cart, what is the product cart, by doing the button choking systems. And we have 2 database storing the rebate points and the game points, and those points we will send to the server by the stable connections. And now I will give the Matthew to introduce our 3 mode design more deeply.
Hi, I'm Matthew. Let me introduce our function. In our design, we have 3 different modes. The first one is the game mode. The customer can play the slot machine and gain extra rebate. The second one is the info center. Under this mode, the customer can check their information, such as the number of rebates and the number of games they played. The third one is the shopping mode. The customer can buy the product and finish the payment within this mode. Here are the interface of different modes in our design. Inside the shopping mode, we have also designed a discount and rebate function. For the discount, when the total amount spent by the customer exceeds some specific value, the system will give discount. For example, if the amount exceeds $700, we will have a 20% off. And for the rebate, for each $100 spent, 1 rebate point will be given. So if the customer spends $650, the customer will gain 6 rebate points. And 1 rebate point can be used to reduce $5 in the next payment. Here are the other 2 modes in our design, the info center and the game. As I said before, the info center can be used to check the number of rebates and number of times the games they played. And for the game, it is easy to pay. The customer only need to press the button 3 times to get free random number. And if any of 2 are the same, the customer can get double amounts of rebate. And if all of them are the same, the customer can get triple amounts of rebate. At the beginning of the shopping mall, we have to set the product cart and shopping cart. So just tap the product card on the RFID system and enter the price represented by the card, and the card will be set up. And for the shopping cart, only need to tap it on the system to let the system memorize it. So how is our design connected to the network? All of our data will be sent to the ThinkSpeed server. Just for example, the number of products or the profits we have made, and all the data will generate a chart, and so that we can see our data anytime when we connect it to the internet.
Now in a database, and after the payments, the customer record will be stored in the tables. And in this table, you can use the search engine to search each customer information and a trading record, including the preferred. And we have an error handler in our design. And if you input a wrong data type and scan a wrong card, an alarm will happen to ensure the machine to go more smoothly. And now I will pass to Wade to do a sum up.
Okay, in conclusion, our product is a simple but convenient design for trade. You just need to scan the shopping cart and the product cart, then you can finish the payment. And also, this is an easy setting up machine for shop. You just need to switch the machine on, and then it will run it automatically. And finally, our company concept is people should shop with fun and reward. So let's shopping with convenience and fun. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.